Now, when we talk about the roller coaster of emotions, that was today's episode. Like, I was sitting on the edge of the sofa and I'm like, so we are in this process where usiza ufuna ukwenza ideni lakhe, and then now he's trying to agugazi. Umlamole said, okay, I'm actually in the payroll of Caesar, so I have to do everything that Caesar tells me, and then he refuses to change akhulume noba uphoyisa lapha manje ulamule says to uSiza, says, I've done everything that you asked me to do, can I now leave? Then uSiza says yes. On his way out athi bullet qing mlamule kwaphela kanjalo ke ibali lakhe. Then from there, that terrified everybody, and then they just realized that, oh shit, this is serious. Like, now sizofa ke nje ngempela. And then everyone started begging, Siza siyacela. And then since they've been cellaring, then okay, fine, ke uSiza decided, okay, this is what's going to happen. Uthandiswa ngiyokhulula, but I need you to sleep on the floor so that idini khana lizoyenzeka. Ngoba sisi wakho washona during this time, then it's gonna take about 2 or 3 hours for us to finish this. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni malweni minjani yiphukile hingengwini. So namuhla kana ngokwa hina wa Smoke and Mirrors kuteam izinto zihlale kahle. Uteam is now going back to umamfundisi asking for imali, and then now umamfundisi is annoyed saying that I actually want you to pay the previous money bese bayilahleke the previous money that you took from me, because right now ubaba like uyayifuna leyo mali leyo, and it looks like you guys are not willing to pay, but senifuna enye imali because now baneyikoloto eziningi. On the other hand, umfundisi uyabathusela ukuthi lalani, if anilethi leyo mali umsebenzi uyaphela ke manje, which is now a problem to them. Now on the other hand again, ungathi ke naledini le izoyenzeka namhlanje, but then now inkinga ukuthi umpendulo manje bamshiya ngesibhamu inhloko, he's bleeding. I don't know ukuthi ushonile or akashonanga kodwa he's bleeding. On the other hand, uSonto decided that she's just going to be a nuisance when it comes to unkosikazi kaSakhile, and that's exactly what she's doing. Angithi chicken ngifuni achamba thenga amagwinya, angifuni lokhu ngifuna lokuya. Okay, ngixoshe ke athi uyakuxosha athi lalela ngizomtshela uSakhile ukuthi wena umxosha no baby girl wakhe kunjani makunje.